Life depends on electrical activity. Every animal cell maintains a difference in charge across its membrane. Nerves use rapid changes in voltage to transmit information, while muscles contract in response to electrical signals. The heart, respiratory muscles, and gills therefore produce small, fluctuating electric fields as they work. In air, these biological electric fields are practically useless as signals. Air conducts electricity poorly, and the fields are extremely weak. Seawater is different. Dissolved salts allow electrical disturbances to spread through the water around an animal. The signal still fades rapidly with distance, but it can remain detectable across the final part of a predator's approach. Sharks detect it using specialized organs called the ampullae of Lorenzini. Look closely at the underside of a shark's snout, and you may see numerous small, dark pores. Each pore opens into a narrow canal filled with a highly conductive jelly. At the other end is a small chamber containing electrosensory receptor cells. The conductive jelly transfers changes in electrical potential from the surrounding water towards these cells. Even an extremely small voltage difference between the pore and the inside of the shark can alter their activity. The resulting signal travels along nerves to the brain. One pore cannot reveal very much. Across the shark's head, however, the pores form a large sensory array. As the shark moves, different parts of this array encounter slightly different electrical conditions. By comparing the strength and direction of these signals and how they change as the head moves, the brain can estimate where the source is located. The shark does not see a glowing outline of its prey. Its brain receives a changing pattern of electrical information, rather like an invisible gradient guiding it towards the source. Classic experiments demonstrated just how important this can be. Researchers placed live flatfish inside chambers and buried them beneath sand. The chambers concealed the prey and greatly reduced the visual, chemical, and mechanical cues available to the predators, while still allowing the fish's electrical field to pass through. Sharks and rays repeatedly located and attacked the hidden fish. When the chamber was electrically insulated, the predators struggled to find it. When the fish was replaced with buried electrodes producing a similar weak signal, they attacked the electrodes. In some tests, the animals even directed their strikes towards the electrical source rather than nearby pieces of fish. Smell attracted them to the area, but electricity identified the precise target. This reveals where electroreception fits into the shark's wider sensory system. From farther away, a shark may be guided by smell, sound, vision, and disturbances detected by its lateral line system. Electroreception is mainly a close-range sense. It becomes particularly useful during the final approach, when the prey may be hidden beneath sediment or positioned below the shark's field of view. A buried fish can remain motionless. It can hide its shape and produce almost no visible disturbance. Its heart, gills, and muscles, however, continue producing electrical signals. Different sharks have differently shaped electrosensory systems, reflecting how and where they hunt. Bottom-feeding species can use them to search sediment, while hammerhead sharks carry widely distributed pores across their expanded heads, allowing them to scan a broad area as they move over the seabed. This electric sense might also contribute to navigation. A shark swimming through Earth's magnetic field could experience tiny induced electrical signals, potentially detectable by the same sensory organs. Sharks can respond to magnetic changes, although researchers are still investigating exactly which receptors are responsible and how much information the animals obtain from them. Humans have also attempted to exploit this sensitivity. Some shark deterrents generate strong, unnatural electrical pulses designed to make a shark turn away at close range. Tests suggest that certain devices can reduce the likelihood of a bite, although they do not create an impenetrable barrier and cannot guarantee protection. A shark's electrical sense is therefore neither a long-range radar nor a supernatural ability. It is a highly sensitive, short-range targeting system that works alongside the animal's other senses. Prey can disappear beneath sand, remain perfectly still, or hide in complete darkness, but it cannot eliminate the electrical activity required to remain alive. To an approaching shark, a living animal is never completely silent.